Hi everyone, day 6 memory. Now I have this cute little teapot. It's a little Indian girl. Unfortunately I chipped it a little bit, but still can use it. And I have a pot of tea. It's got this little basket and I love them, they're so cute. So I'm pouring a cup of tea to start. So I was thinking about memory and what that means to me, and have a sip. Delicious. And I realised that I had a box of Formosan tea in the cupboard, and I first started drinking this when I was 18, so do the maths, people. It's a long time ago. Anyway, I thought that I would make a little sort of a snippety thing, because I think I've also had this box for ages, but the tea's still perfectly fine. Back when I was in my 18 to early, mid-20s, everything was caffeine free, vegan, no, not necessarily vegan, organic or biodynamic, as little additives as possible basically into my food. So the reason that I loved this tea back in the day was it's 98% caffeine free and it didn't have those really bitter tannins. Anyway, that's the box. Best before December 2018, so there you go. But I'm still drinking it because why waste a good tea? Right, so today, this morning, I've been and had my nails done, and I've been ripping up these bits of old antique sari, and some of them have got these tiny little gems stuck on them. So I think I'm going to use a little bit of that, maybe a bit of this. Let's get, I want it to stick out. This is antique French, off the bottom of a chair upholstery. It's from chair upholstery. So I decided today it was a stapling kind of day. Got the little mini Tim Holtz stapler, the little mini staples, nice and tiny. Lucky Tim made that because there's no one else in the world. I've never been able to find anything like it. So Tim gets all the resale of the little tiny weeny staples. Alright, maybe I'm gonna just trim that a little bit up there. And this is beautiful, it frays up nicely. Another sip of tea. Very good. So I finished yesterday's little daily logs, and I realised I had put the acupuncture pickup tea order in, like I'd messed up. There you go. That's what our journals are about. They're not meant to be perfect, but today we're doing memory because we've done daily log. What I wanted to say was I have made my other weekly envelopes. So I've got this envelope for week 2, and I have got this envelope for week 3, and I realised by the time I got to week 3 that I needed an extra day, because there's 31 days and I had really only made 7. So that's one thing to note. And that's I did some collaging. So 31. And here's my other envelope. So for week 4, I've made the pocket like this out of the envelope. I've actually backed it with a little bit of sturdier card so as it goes in and out properly, and I've lifted up so I could get the extra days in. So that's ready to be written in as things happen. And here's our little cute little thing going. Maybe here. And I might write a little bit about my memory of that. Epic Fix is pretty good. I don't mind it sticking out the top. All right. That's lovely. Lovely, lovely jubbly, as the saying is. So while I was looking for my stapler, I found this little cute stamp, and I found this little block of saying January, and I found some Distress Oxide stamps. Thought that I would like to put them somewhere. There we go, January. I like this little flower. Okay, I don't know why I got that out. Alright, so that's my little memory for today. That's a reminder. The memory is also the teapot, because that was given to me by my brother and his wife. So if I can tilt it now that it's not got too much tea water in it. That's the front of it, and then the little girl's face lines up with the plaits. So hopefully you can see that all right. Oh, that was quick and short memory. So that's it. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be stitched. Well, that's easy. I have always got a stitch project on the go. Hope you're having a great time doing this project. Bye for now.